is the letter D. What is the sound of the letter D? The sound of the letter D is D. Come on, say it with me. D. D. Great work. Now, let's look at words with the letter D. This is a dog. What is it? Dog. Great work. Now, let's look at more words with the letter D. First, the word dad has the letter D 2 times. Come on, say it with me. Dad. Dad. Great. Next, we have door. Door. Then we have the letter D between the word window. What is it? Window. Window. Lovely. Next, we have the drinks. The drinks. And finally, we have the dog. The dog. Great work, everyone! Now, it's your turn to say the letter D.